Today I'm using Makeup Revolution TAMMI X palette. Today it will be green. I'm going to use this green right here. This green right here. And lime color green, this one. I want it to be all green. I have to go above my crease, my hooded eyes. For the middle part of my lid, I'm going to use my white pencil so I can get a pop of color. What I'm looking like. Please like and subscribe and comment below. Tell me what you think about my all green eye. I'm gonna create a little mole right here. Remember back in the day, I create my own mole. I have a couple zits. Every now and then I get a couple, but I created something with it. This is what today's look is like. And this is the first lipstick, and now I'll put a second lipstick. Green eyeshadow look for today. like, please share, please subscribe, please comment below. Tell me what you think about today's look. And always remember, self first. Love self plenty. Take care of self. Self is important. And I will see you in another video. Hopefully soon. That's it. Peace. Yeah. Tell me what you think. La 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 la. Bye. See you all later. Bye.